is 246344. They are my group members, which is in the innovations and the strategies.
Okay, so my name is Bjth. My metric number is 245279.
My name is Norma Reida Yamenti Moano. My metric number is 25279.
So our company name is Bjth, that is producing computer accessories such as keyboard, mouse, speaker, and so on. And these items are released in Malaysia and distribute them throughout Malaysia and several neighboring countries. Our company vision is to connect people around with the more computer accessories like mouse, keyboard, and so on. And the mission is to provide customer and client with the best quality product that can to satisfy their requirement. This is to facilitate every work done by the people. In addition to using the technology that is developed as well as possible. So now, Bjth has been known throughout Malaysia as the manufacturing of computer hardware, especially the mouse. This is because the mouse is the main product and the first product manufactured by Bjth. Bjth has also made many innovations in the product and doing so at the low cost. Innovation is done to increase competition and improve product quality. Bjth first operating at Sintok Kedah, Malaysia around 2017, and every year Bjth strives to produce new product that can increase the selling power of the company. However, the recent sale and performance of the company is not good, so that Bjth plan to venture with Aurora company. So Aurora is a company that involves from office equipment such as laser pointer, calculator, laminator, paper shredder, and others product. And today, Aurora customer cover all Southeast Asia, include Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Philippines, Vietnam, and many more. So Aurora is very a potential company as a joint venture that we produce Aurora Tech. Joint venture with Aurora is the best method for the Bjth to produce new product, because the company is a company that has long been in the industry and have a technology that are capable to producing a new or latest product. Thank you. That's all from me.
So hello, my name is Bjth. My metric number is 245279. So after my teammates part, I'm going to talk about why we're going to choose alliances. So out of the 3 technology acquisition method, there are actually alliances, acquisition, and mergers. But why we choose alliances? Because we found out that alliances got a lot of advantage. So first of the advantage is that we can actually share resources with the other company. Why did I say so? Because our company, as stated by my teammate before, is already facing a financial crisis. Our sales is not actually doing good. So we will actually try to collaborate with the other company, which my teammate has mentioned just now in the part before. We will collaborate with the office equipment company, which the name is Aurora. So we will collaborate with Aurora to share resources with them. The resources can be human resources, human manpower resources, financial resources, and even from the aspect of skills and technical wise. So we can share resources with them and we can become a stronger entity. By sharing resources with them, we are not actually in a dire crisis and we can actually venture into a new market, which I'm going to explain now. So why I say that we are going to venture into the new market? So by collaborating with Aurora, we are going to create a laser pointer mouse product that is actually totally new, because back before then, Bjth is only selling computer accessories, and for Aurora they are only selling laser pointers. So by collaborating with them, we are exchanging skills and we are exchanging know-hows. We have shared the skills, we share the know-hows, and we try to create a new product out. And the new product is laser pointer mouse, in which my teammates will demonstrate the usage later. Okay. So by choosing alliance also, we can reach economics of skill in production. What is economics of skill? Economics of skill is that when you try to produce more products, you can cut down the cost in producing it. Means that the cost per product is decreased when we are producing in a large amount. So why did I say so? When you are producing a lot, you will try to get a lot of raw materials. And when you order the raw materials from the supplier, from the vendor, they will give you a discount because you are ordering in a large amount. So this is what I'm talking about, economics of scale by choosing alliances. And lastly is the strategic objectives. So our objective and Aurora objective is actually the same. We want to serve people and we want to connect people by giving our best product, by giving our best services. So by collaborating with each other, we are able to align our company into the same strategic objective. We also help each other to achieve our strategic objective much easier, much better. Okay, so not gonna delay further. I'm going to talk about our joint venture. So we are choosing joint venture as mentioned by my teammate just now. Why joint venture? Because out of alliances, we got like 6 or 7 methods of alliances. Why we only choose joint venture? Now I'm going to explain to justify our choice of joint venture. Okay, so joint venture is the act of combining two companies into one new entity. So for example, we are combining our company into one new entity. So Motec, we are combining with Aurora, and we are creating Aurotech. So this is our new entity name. Okay. So why this? Because we feel that the logo design need to include both our company symbols, and by putting 3 circles there, we believe that the first 2 circles indicates Aurora, in which wind means that dawn bright, and their meaning of hope and future. And the lastly there symbolizes technology. The blue color symbolizes our Motec original color technology. So this logo actually compromises three of our vision and mission. Okay, so it compromises both of our company vision and mission.
Hello, my name is Lim Chong Yen. Metric number is 246344. Today, I'm gonna present the purpose of these products. In these areas of technologies, the teachings and the lectures will be direct to the student for the image, text, or even a video projected on the screen. In the past decades, the use of the whiteboard or the marker pens are commonly replaced by using the computers and the projector to establish the teaching system in the class, which is known as DPC. However, there are issues occur when the lecturer was far away from the keyboard. The actions for changing the slideshows becomes a troublesome, and he or she might need to go back and press for next slide. To overcome these problems, and new ideas will come up with a design for long-range control tools and wireless presenters remote control, which is known as mouse pointers equipment. With the latest technology nowadays, it becomes an easy way to establish an electronic equipment with wireless controls. With this equipment, the user requires a great electronic tools for PowerPoint presentations, teachings, presentings, demonstratings in the lecture hall, and never need to stand back beside the computers all the time. Okay, later I will explain how to use this laser pens equipment during presentings in the class. Hello, next is the expect to improvise futures process of the research and development, which known as R&D. The research and development process is often known as the activity that a company takes to improvise, innovate, or introduce new product. So there are few aspects that we think that the product can still further improvise on 5 fields. First, shapes of the products. Second, weight of the product. Third, designs of the product. Fourth is the aspects of the qualities. The finally is the price of the product. Well, firstly, the shapes of the product. As we can see from these prototypes, the product size is actually quite huge and not actually small enough to carry to wherever the user go to. So it is at the R&D research that we look into it and try to reduce the product size and try to decrease the weight of the product, so compare as the prototype. Secondly is the weight of the product. The weight of the product, we hope that these products and as known as laser pen equipment, which we hope that this will be more lighter as we think the materials we use from the prototypes is not light enough through the weight of the products can be bit heavily and will cause the muscle soreness when the lecturers, teachers, or even the projector, as known as students, are using it for a long period of time. But we found that there are examples that help to reduce the weight of the product is the carbon fiber. Carbon fiber, known as one of the substitutions, as it is one of the materials that was high strength to the wire pressure. It can provide the more durability which will increase the lifespan of the product. Well, third, the designs of the products. We focus on the overall appearance and we hope that we often the feedback that we receive from the customers and try to go through the process to fulfill their demands and needs. Well, for example, the customer can modify their needs of the product appearance through our online website, which is the colors and materials of the casing modified. From this equipment, we can see that there are the side of the equipment there are few rainbow colors, and the front and the belows we use the blue colors papers as a decorations. Well, for the casing, we can modify accordingly to the respective user need and demand to provide the best comfortability experience for our customers. The fourth is aspects of the qualities based on the customer satisfactions. We need to make sure that electronic material inside the products can work and function smoothly at the interns, and we hope that there are multi-functionables and enhanced on our service in the aspect for giving up the guarantees, for example 3 years or 1 year's guarantees based on the price of the product. So finally, we move to the price of the product. We actually hope that these products, laser pens equipment, are more cheaper and affordable for all the students and lecturers in University Utara Malaysia, and we will try to make sure the price of the products is always affordable, so to ensure the sales of the products. We will also try our best to reduce the cost of the materials by subcontracting with some of the industry, such as the electronic boards industry, so that in these areas we can save costs in the manufacturing process. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, now I'm showing the step demonstrating the laser pen equipment step by step. Firstly, insert a AA batteries in the battery slots. In the same time, we need to make sure that the red lines shows that which known as functionables, and after that we need to plug up the USB receiver from the mouse and plug into the USB slot in the PCs or even the laptop. Now I'm showing with a slide shows as an example for demonstrating the laser pen equipment. By using the back block in the buttons of the laser pen equipment, we can move the target mouse easily. Next, okay, after that we can press the left hand side buttons and change to next slide. In the same time, we also can use the laser pens to point up the slideshows in any corners of the classroom. That's all. Thank you.